Alrighty, welcome back to Georgia. We are posted up at my parents' house, as everyone knows. Today is the day that we get to pull everything out, deep clean inside the rig, take things out of the storage that we brought that we have never used, and I'm gonna lay it all out, and you're gonna see the amount of stuff that can fit in here and the amount of stuff that we didn't even use on the trip. So you can plan accordingly on how to pack and what not to bring. You know, you never know, and I'm more of a, not a prepper, but I like to have things just in case, and I brought a lot of those type of things. And so today's gonna be an interesting day and probably maddening at the same time of how much we hauled around extra weight. But here we are. Alrighty, look how stuffed this place can get. Got this light switch right here, by the way, but we have had all this in here and we haven't used this. We haven't used this. We thought we were going to in Havasupai in Arizona, but we did not do any backpacking. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting to see what stuff we did not use at all and how much weight we eliminate. It's gonna be crazy to see how much stuff I've only taken out. A handful of plastic bins. All right, so this is some of the damage we've yet to finish. Look at all that. You got a 10 by 10 foot canopy, a backpack, some beach stuff, a raft, sweaters, air purifier, trash can, disc golf, tennis racket. We never picked that tennis racket up once. We use the disc golfs. Welcome to our front porch artwork, grill, foam roller, cleaning supplies. We still have a little bit more to go. One thing though, I got this foam board from Home Depot, and for winterization with the cold, we had it propped up here, and it helped tremendously. I also have the insulation up here on the wood panels. We put and cut all this and taped it off. It helped a lot. I want to redo this a little bit better. Turner Max has a great insulation job. Another channel on Instagram, a couple that has this, that lives in it. So let's keep diving in here. Okay, we are empty. This is everything that we were carrying and the little guy. We talk about the difference with the tab and storage and why we went with this unit as well. Look at all this stuff that we had in here, and we used half of it. So it just goes to show you how much space you got. Here it is empty after 6 months on the road. All the gunk you see, I get to sweep out with that. This is one of the things we had for cleaning. Because our vacuum cleaner's dead, we're charging it right now. We have a little mini vacuum, but this is gonna get nice and clean and strategically put what we now need in there and not what we think we might need that we'll carry around for 6 months on the road again. Corey is cleaning inside.
Oh, scared me.
She's doing inside the cupboards. So this is detail cleanup day. Okie doke. So this is everything in there. What do you think about all this?
There's a lot of stuff that we never used. Some of it we used. A lot of it we didn't use.
I mean, a lot of it too, it's like, you know, what do you put back in there? And that's kind of what, you know, this video is based on, is cleaning out after a big trip.
But this is everything that could fit in there. Gives you a good idea of what all could fit in there.
Yeah, when we talk about storage, and the little guy Max. This is the crazy part about it all. But I mean, you know, I brought grill accessories. We brought, you know, you always see at RV parks people put out their signs. It's like, oh yeah, we'll bring our sign. I put this out once, and I put this out once. Welcome to our porch. This is not going to go back in there. Get that the flag down there though. I'll show you one. Oh. Now this we do put up quite often. I love it, and it will continue to be the United States of awesome, because it is. And those are like all the national parks. But a little decor stuff. I'm not going to break down what's all in that pack, but basically you could get that pack, put it on your back, and go for a week. It has all the high-end gear, extra sleeping bag. But we have sparklers. We didn't do those. We could have. I was like, hey, you know, on a crazy night, if you wanted, I'll probably put these back in there. Bug out seed bag, you know, just in case. Netting, so rabbits can't eat the stuff you're growing. Games, another thing, we brought a lot of games, and we didn't play a lot of games.
Yeah, we didn't play really any games.
We're too busy hiking. Yeah, so this was a cleaning bin, just to show you. You had gloves, extra cleaning supplies. We could probably make use of some of that stuff. We brought some arrows. I do not have a bow, but if I needed to, I was going all in. You don't know. Something happened and we had to survive. This was a hammock. This is more of a...
we used the hammock a couple times.
Yeah, we used the hammock, but this is like matches, Scotch guards, you know, lighter fluid. This is more of a utility one. We'll probably keep in there. Fishing pole. I bought a brand new fishing pole and didn't even go fishing. A lot of beach stuff, air purifier. Are we taking that air purifier? We just need to get our filter for it?
That we use, we just need a new filter for it. And
yeah.
I think it's one that we have to order online or something.
Yeah.
So.
And being that it is 96 degrees, and this is supposed to be springtime, not even summer, I don't think we'll be putting the sweater bin back in there.
Oh no.
All your clothes.
No.
This is hers, and then I have a whole nother bag in there that we're gonna be pulling out. Yeah. These are more sanitation stuff, supplies. But in reality, I mean, we use more than half of this stuff, but a lot of this clunkier miscellaneous stuff, that really gets in the way of keeping it clean and organized.
Yeah. A lot of this stuff over here is like dog stuff, like shampoos. And
we could consolidate that probably into one of those bins.
Oh yeah, this can. Oh, there's another dog bag in there.
And another dog bag. So we have like 3 dog bags with shampoos and toys and everything. But now we are going to strategically. This is probably like all up in my face. Now we're going to strategically put all this stuff back in. See how it goes. Okie doke, so this is the only stuff that's gonna be going back in there. We're gonna put the 10x10 storage unit back in, or storage, the 10x10 shade, because we actually are still headed to the beach. We're only gonna be in Georgia for a week or so. And some of the sports equipment, and of course the sanitation stuff, matches, utility stuff. But we took a lot out. That's a lot of weight out of there. We probably took about, I want to say 50, 60 pounds worth of stuff out. So we're gonna store that in my mom's garage for now. We're gonna put all this stuff back in here and be nice and clean. I'm really looking forward to this. I think this is day 3 back in Georgia. We tackled a good bit of the RV last time on video, and today I'm going to get everything out of here, blow all the dirt out, wash it. After being on the road for 6 months, it's time to re-clean, get everything organized. We had this hard top put on when we left, and this truck bed has a good rubber liner, but it is filthy, absolutely filthy. So while on the road, this was kind of the setup in here. I already took out the mountain bikes and some stuff like the dog cage yesterday, and I kind of just threw everything in here, so it was a lot more organized. And y'all have seen me play Tetris with this before, but we're gonna get all this out, and I'm going to wash this truck bed down in the inside and get probably 38 states worth of dirt out of here. So we'll see how this goes. That is a clean truck, and that feels so good. I'm gonna get a little bit of Dawn soap action going on, and then get all this stuff back in there. All right, so this is what we have going back in. We probably took out 100 and something pounds, took the generator out. We're not gonna need that for the next 2 weeks. We're gonna be doing a lot of boondocking in people's driveways and plugging in, and then when we head to Florida, the same thing. So it feels so good to have this clean. Another thing off the list, when you get back home and have to clean everything out and get reorganized, to go back out. It's refreshing.